Again, 2011 Chevrolet Tahoe hybrid. Trying to get the camshaft sensor out of the engine. Following A1 Auto's video, I've actually made progress within a few minutes using a panel tool and a chunk of wood instead of aluminum like they did. It works pretty good. It's hard to make a video and do everything at once. That's why I'm showing you step 2 of my version. It's working better than anything I tried before, I can tell you that. I wish GM would rethink this and get this figured out. I did spray more of my in-force penetrating oil by VG. I love that stuff. Best ever, I swear. I'll let her soak a little bit and give her a little more spray, and then I'll try prying a little more. I'll let you know, folks.